This is the most unique ship in the world. It may appear to be sinking at first, but when it is in its initial form, it appears to be an ordinary ship. This unique floating platform was utilized by the United States Navy. But what would be the purpose of such a ship, and why is it so unusual to retire after years of service? The flip ship, formerly known as the Floating Instrument Platform, is a monument to human ingenuity and creativity in the field of ocean exploration. Designed in 1962 by the U.S. Navy in the Marine Physical Laboratory, this 355-foot-long ship violates traditional maritime regulations by being able to change from a horizontal to a vertical posture, providing a distinct viewpoint for research. When a person first sees the flip ship, they may picture a ship that is about to sink. But this visual trick is deliberately deceptive. The ship's unusual design has a very particular function. It is used to carry out scientific research in the water with the aim of gathering vital information about the marine ecology. Cleverly called flip due to its floating instrument platform, this ship has established itself as a reliable partner for scientists exploring the depths of the ocean. The most amazing thing about this ship is that it can tilt up to 90 degrees, revealing just 55 feet above the ocean. This dramatic move is a planned tactic to help with precise readings on research flights, not just for show. The flip ship's vertical posture enables it to collect accurate data on temperature, wavelength, density, and water acoustics, in contrast to conventional horizontal locations that restrict the effectiveness of measuring instruments because of the vessel's inherent motions. It takes around 28 minutes for the ship to go from a horizontal to a vertical posture. During that time, water is allowed to leak into its ballast tanks, causing 300 meters of the ship to be submerged underwater. By purposefully submerging the ship, it is possible to bypass the difficulties caused by wave interference and guarantee that the natural motions of traditional ships will not affect the results of the investigation. The flip ship has no motors of its own, thus it uses tows to get into the sea. The ship's capacity to withstand waves as big as 80 feet while submerged demonstrates its versatility and durability in both shallow and deep sea. It can go at a maximum speed of 7 to 10 knots when pulled. Once vertical, it can stand on its own and doesn't need any more assistance to stay upright. The flip ship is a vital tool for researching marine flora and animals, mostly with an oceanic focus. When the ship moves from a horizontal to a vertical posture, its instruments which are vital for obtaining important data are cleverly engineered to automatically shift into a functional position. This guarantees the scientific apparatus's continued efficacy and functionality during the investigation. The flip ship, which underwent renovations in 1995 to stay up with technological developments, has been very helpful in foreseeing and comprehending important shifts in the ocean and marine life. Because it is the only ship of its kind, its unique presence increases its significance, making every research project essential to advancing our understanding of the undersea environment. Aside from its distinctive look, the flip ship's interior is an engineering wonder. The crew quarters are intended to smoothly adapt to the ship's dynamic changes. Each room has 2 doors for easy access in both vertical and horizontal directions, indicating careful design to guarantee the crew's living quarters are practical and comfortable. Regardless of the ship's orientation, swivel beds, bunks, gas cookers, and toilets are designed for practical usage. Compress air is used to discharge water from the ballast tanks, allowing a seamless restoration to the ship's standard configuration and bringing it to its horizontal resting posture. Over the course of its 40 years of service, the flip ship's clever design and operational flexibility have made significant contributions to its performance, helping the U.S. Navy conduct research activities with impressive success. In 2021, the flip ship required an expenditure of around $8 million to ensure its ongoing operation for the following decade. This financial commitment highlights the ship's importance in advancing our understanding of the ocean and emphasizes how useful it is to researchers delving into the depths of marine ecosystems across the shores of California and beyond. As the flip ship continues to travel the waters, it serves as a metaphor for human ingenuity, pushing the limits of traditional nautical exploration and revealing mysteries buried beneath the waves. Sadly, the ship later in the year got retired but has left its mark in the hearts of people for its unusual design and its contribution.